All right, question number 6. A garbage truck can collect trash from as few as 720 homes to as many as 1,125 homes before it becomes full. Which of these could not be the number of homes from which the full garbage truck collected trash? As few as 720, as many as 1,125. As few as 720. That means no less than 720. This is the smallest number. This is the least amount of homes that they are going to visit before the trash truck becomes full. And as many as 1,125. That is the largest number. That is the most number of homes that they are going to visit before the truck becomes full. So my number cannot be smaller than 720, and my number cannot be larger than 1,125. So I'm going to plug these two numbers into a place value chart. The largest place value I have here is 1,000. So that's all I'm going to do. I'm just going to create up to my thousands. Thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. 720 and 1,125. So those are the two numbers that my answer choice needs to be between. Or I'm looking for the not. I'm sorry, not. So my number that I choose is either going to be smaller than 720 or larger than 125. I'm looking for something that is not between these two. 999. 999. 999. That fits perfect right there. 999 is greater than 720. It is less than 1,125. That cannot be your answer. 725. 725. 725. 725 is larger than 720 and less than 1,125. That's not going to be your answer. I'm looking for the one that is not. So this is a yes, meaning it fits between them, and that's a yes, meaning it fits between them. 1,099. 1,099. 1,099 is greater than 720, and 1,099 is less than 1,125. So that's a yes. And the last one is 1,205. 1,205 is greater than 720, but it is not smaller or less than 1,125. You have 200's place value here and a 100's place value here. This 200's place value makes this number 1,205 greater than 1,125. So that's a no. So you're going to choose the answer choice that has a no, a not. J would be your correct answer.